Spring is here, and if you're a wedding celebrant, now is the perfect time to be creating social media content. Why? Because right now, thousands of couples are at the early stages of planning their wedding. They're looking for inspiration, for guidance, and most importantly, they're looking for you. But if you're not feeling confident about what to post, then you're not alone. Figuring out what to post on social media is one of the biggest challenges that newly trained wedding celebrants face, and that's where this video will come in to help. Think of creating social media content like gardening. In spring, we sow seeds, not knowing which will flourish and which won't. Some will grow into amazing plants, some might not germinate at all, and some will surprise us. Social media content can be the same. Some posts will take off, some won't. The key is consistency. You won't see instant success, but the more you post, the more chance you have of connecting with the right couple. So let's go through the 5 types of content you should be focusing on this spring. The easiest way to remember the 5 pillars of celebrant content is the acronym E.I.E.I.O. E is for educate. Most couples don't know what a wedding celebrant does, so your job is to educate them. According to wedding surveys by Hitched and Bridebook, 1 in 7 weddings are celebrant-led in the UK, and that means many couples are likely not to know about the celebrant option, and so there's a huge opportunity to show couples why a celebrant-led wedding is so special. A common feature of most wedding celebrants is that we tell your love story as part of your personal ceremony. But what is this? Your love story is told as part of the introduction and welcome to your ceremony. It sets the backdrop as to why your friends and family have gathered at your wedding venue to celebrate your love, relationship, and commitment to each other. It might include how you met, any funny dating disasters, and the key milestones in your developing relationship. This might include when you moved in together, your pets, shared adventures, any funny stories, and of course, ultimately, the marriage proposal. Most couples have a proposal story to share. It doesn't have to be dramatic or funny, just intimate and personal and deeply romantic to you. Your love story will include why you want to spend the rest of your life with your partner, what you value, cherish, and sometimes those funny things that frustrate you about your partner. As an experienced and creative wordsmith, I write love stories for couples that prompt tears of joy and laughter. Couples love how after taking the time to get to know them, I really get them. Using my experience and skills, I will be able to reflect your personalities, your humour, your values, and your relationship all in your wedding ceremony love story. I would love to write your love story, so please like, save, and share this post, and check out my website for more details. I is for inspire. Before couples choose a celebrant, they've got to feel why it's right for them. If you're having a ring exchange as part of your wedding ceremony, then try this. A ring blessing or ring warming is a wonderful way to upgrade a standard ring exchange to a really memorable one. And your wedding celebrant can make it magical and personal. But what is this? Ring exchange is the most widely used wedding ritual used around the world. It all started in ancient Egypt, where the circle represents eternity. Because the circle has no beginning and no end. The ring exchange has no legal status, but it represents the eternal love and commitment required for a successful marriage, because marriage is for life. In a ring warming or ring blessing, the guests get to imbibe their love and best wishes into the rings as they are passed around. This takes pre-planning and clear instructions that your wedding celebrant will have experience of. Groomsmen, bridesmaids, or little helpers are perfect to help ensure the safe travel of your wedding rings. The result is an extra special and memorable exchange of rings, where with beautiful words from your celebrant, the exchange of rings becomes not only symbolic of your unity, but of the unconditional love and support of your family and friends. Get in touch to find out more. E is for endorsements. Couples trust recommendations. So share your reviews and testimonials, but if you're a new wedding celebrant and haven't got any of these, then even sharing your wedding insights can build your credibility and show that you are professional and trustworthy.
If you're planning a wedding, here are 5 things you need to know about your music.
Number 1, you'll need 3 pieces of ceremony music, one for your entrance, one for your commemorative wedding certificate signing, and one for your exit. Unless, of course, you are not having a wedding celebrant and instead having registrars do your ceremony, because then you'll need another 2 songs to play whilst all the legal paperwork is done. That's 5 in total, or just 3 with a wedding celebrant.
Doing your legal paperwork with registrars separately means your guests have less time sitting around.
Number 2 is make sure to get the mood and tone of each piece of music right, because music really enhances the emotional experience in your wedding ceremony. Your entrance should be a slow, romantic piece to build anticipation. The certificate signing music should be a unique and personal piece to you as a couple, and the exit should be fun and uplifting.
Wedding Celebrant will help you get your music sorted, from inspirational playlists for ideas to playing the recorded music on your big day.
Number 3 is if your ceremony is outside, a great wedding celebrant will provide a PA system to ensure your music can be heard whatever the location.
Number 4 is that there are an amazing range of artists out there who can perform your ceremony music live, and this is the best.
From wedding singers to string quartets, from brass bands to pianists and other solo musicians like harpists or violinists. If your budget allows it, there is something additionally magical to a live performance of your ceremony music.
With a wedding celebrant, we'll make sure we're working with your musician before the big day and before the ceremony to make sure your music is perfect and flawless.
Finally, number 5 is if you have a talented friend or family member who wants to perform for you in your ceremony, then make this the middle piece. During the certificate signing, your guests can give them their focus and total appreciation.
In the entrance and exit pieces of music, however, the guest's focus is on you. Please like, save, share and comment, and get in touch to find out more.
The second I is for introduce. Remember, you are the brand, and so therefore couples need to be able to hear you and to connect with you before they choose to book you.
If you're planning a wedding, you're losing out if you don't know this.
You can choose exactly who's going to start your big day if you have a celebrant, and here's how.
There are many celebrants to choose from, and you get to choose them, just like you choose your photographer.
If it matters to you, you can choose someone young or more experienced in life, a woman, a man, someone queer, someone quirky, or someone more traditional.
I'm hoping, of course, you're looking for a warm, experienced, funny, middle-aged dad type.
But if you're looking for someone younger and more good-looking, there's always Jeff. But you do need to have your wedding in Canada.
All celebrants have different vibes, different experience, and of course different prices.
So it's important to shop around, and planning apps like Hitched and Bridebook can help.
Get quotes, including travel, and read their online reviews.
If your budget is tight, then newly trained celebrants will be cheaper.
When you find a celebrant that you like, you're probably going to want to have a video call with them to check your personal connection with them and to ask some questions before you book them.
Your celebrant will get to know you as you co-create your personal and memorable ceremony together.
In contrast, if you're having registrars on the day, you'll have no idea who they are until 20 minutes before your ceremony starts. Share this post with any other engaged couple that too wants to have a personal connection with the person leading their ceremony.
Finally, O is for open contact. You've got to make it easy and invite couples to reach out to you.
Councils are taking engaged couples to the cleaners.
They're charging up to £1,000 for registrars to do your legal paperwork at your wedding venue,
When it could cost just £67 to do your legal paperwork separately.
The alternative is a wedding celebrant who will give you a beautiful, fun, personal and meaningful wedding ceremony with no restrictions.
Why do the council charge £400 in some areas, £1,000 in another, just to do a job that it could cost couples just £67.
They do it because they can, as many couples don't know about the alternatives. But here's the thing, by law, every council must offer the £67 alternative.
Check it out on the UK government's own website.
Now don't get me wrong, I'm not blaming couples for not knowing about this, because many councils or wedding venues don't make it easy. For example, they might not even have this option on their website.
My local council only offer the £67 alternative once a month in order to force couples to pay for more expensive alternatives.
But the truth is, you don't have to go to the council of your wedding venue to do your legal marriage paperwork.
I recommend my couples to do their legal paperwork in a neighbouring council.
Registrar staff there are a lot more friendly and helpful and do the £67 option twice a week.
Please like, save and share this post with any other engaged couples before they get taken to the cleaners, and see my website to find out more.
So there you have it, the 5 pillars of celebrant content. So whether you are creating simple photo and text posts for Instagram and Facebook, or whether you're creating videos and reels for TikTok, Instagram or Facebook, then now is the time to start so that you're ready for the summer. If you want more detailed help and support, then check out our 6-week social media and digital marketing course for celebrants linked in the description below. And I'll be posting future more detailed content on how to create different types of posts on Instagram and TikTok in future YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to get more hints, tips and inspiration on becoming a successful celebrant. Thanks for watching. I've got to get back to planting more seeds and creating more wedding celebrant content. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.